Indeed it is. It's a first alert weather day for heat and for storms, and here's that first factor, the heat. Highs so far today still nudging up in a few areas. 98 now your high so far today in the FM area, 96 in Grand Forks as we add to our tally now at 18. And these hot dogs here doing everything they can to, well, beat the heat. This is Frankie, this is Huey, and well, they're doing a good job of it. Hope you did too. Staying hydrated is important. We did get some beneficial moisture overnight into the morning, and not much for Grand Forks or Fargo, close to 1/10 of an inch or even less. But we did get some waterlogged conditions in the Roseau and well, Kittson County area. Stephen picking up a good 2¼ inches of rain. Quite a bit from Crystal and Alvarado through Herman and Grant County, picking up a gully washer late last night with some severe weather in the central and southern part of the county, and a few more areas picking up 1/3 to 1/2 of an inch of rain. Here's a look outdoors right now to the west. We have towering cumulus clouds developing out near the central Dakotas and the state capital. These are drifting into Kidder County right now out of Burleigh County. There is a hail threat, 1-inch hail, 60-mile-per-hour winds. We're going to see spotty thunderstorms that could become severe tonight. We have more down near the border, and here is a look at where we have that risk. Now, why is it just a level 1 with all this ridiculous heat and humidity? Well, it's because the hot air is all over in this area, and well, it's even hot up above the ground. So a bubble of heated air doesn't rise like a hot air balloon unless we reach really ridiculous temperatures. And a few spots we're going to do that. 96 right now in Grand Forks, we're at your high. We're at the high here in Fargo, Moorhead, and 98 Siston after triple-digit heat there, as well as the Lisbon area. Sizzling heat. Now, some of this dry air starting to work into our westernmost counties with dew points in the 40s. That is dry, Saharan-style air, 30s and 40s, very dry. But we are sticky like the Gulf of Mexico with dew points 70 to 80. It's air you can wear. That humidity is causing heat indices well over 100. So it's real important to pay attention to symptoms of heat stroke or heat exhaustion and cool off very quickly if you do start to feel dizzy and the like. If you come upon someone unconscious, call 911 right away and then cool them off as fast as you can. Showers and thunderstorms near the capital will work their way into the James and Cheyenne River valleys first. That's about 8 o'clock. When do they arrive in the valley? Well, closer to 9:30 to 11 o'clock, and a few of these storms could be severe here or there. Not all of us, and again, not all of us will see rain. Temperatures overnight as storms drift mainly across Minnesota into the overnight hours. The risk of severe really drops off, and we will see temperatures sliding to the 60s for most. Looks like a chance of some spotty showers along the Highway 2 corridor as we go through the day. A north wind promises to bring a little drier air like we saw out to the west and some cooler conditions, but not cold. Still a shot at another 90-degree day for some of our southern counties. Check out these lumpy bumpies right here. Beautiful, modest clouds near Wahpeton, Victoria. Thanks for sharing your photo. A cool down. We're stepping in the right direction Thursday. Friday, we're back down to the low 80s and into the early weekend. Not a bad start to the weekend. Then the temperatures do warm right back up into the middle of next week. We're back into the 90s, and the rest of your 11-day forecast shows summer-like conditions. Coming up, we'll have more coverage on Officer Wallin right here on Valley News Live.